You're in Palawan, Philippines, and this is not your usual seafood. No plates, no forks, just tamilok, a fresh tamilok straight from the wood. They say it's a worm, but wait till you taste it. Slimy, shocking, but tastes like oysters. 3, 2, 1. Would you eat this? Only the brave can handle Palawan's wildest delicacy. If you are new to this channel, this is Joe of JM Food Trips. Join me in experiencing and eating one of the most unusual food in the planet. Please like, subscribe, and share below. Oh my gosh, what is that? They expect me to eat this? It looks like it's moving. Okay, I can do this. I'm brave. I'm strong. No, I'm not. Yikes, I am anticipating. Why is it slimy? Why is it staring at me like that? This is not food. This is a challenge. Slurp. Wait a minute. Why does it taste like oysters? Really? Again, imagining and reliving the moment. My brain is confused. Did I just do that? But my mouth is like, yo, that's kind of good. I came here scared. Now I'm questioning everything that twisting the events. Would I do it again? Maybe, maybe not. Continue watching to find out our reaction to our tamilok first bite. This is our second day enjoying our Palawan vacation saga. But before we dig into the detail of this slimy food, tamilok, let's swing by first to a place unique to Palawan. A strange place and unusual place to visit by tourists because it is a correctional facility. Most of the prisoners in this place are serving life or multiple life sentences. Yes, you heard me right. Many will think that it's a dangerous place to visit, but why the Philippine government allows tourists to enter and visit this place? The place is called the Iwahig Prison and Penal Farm in Palawan. Interesting. You visit a prison in Palawan, but there are no walls, no locked cells, no guards with guns, just open land, mountains, and freedom. Wait, these are inmates? They're farming, smiling, even selling souvenirs? This doesn't feel like a prison at all. So the real question is this punishment or a second chance? A prison? So unique? It is known as an open prison system. Inmates live in a huge farm community instead of locked cells. They can work, farm, and even build their own homes. It's more about rehabilitation than punishment. Prisoners do farming, rice, coconut, and vegetables, fishing and livestock raising, creating handmade souvenirs, and you as a visitor can buy these. They are given responsibility and freedom, a chance to rebuild their lives even far and away from their biological families, to continue living in peace the rest of their lives. How the open system works. As I've said earlier, the prisoners here are serving life sentences. They will never ever be out of prison on this lifetime. Some of them served 20 years or more already of their sentences in the National Bilibid Prison, the maximum federal prison of the Philippines. All those years, these prisoners were changed, reborn if you call it, and ready to integrate back to society. But they were convicted and sentenced to be imprisoned for their lifetime. They are now considered low-risk prisoners and transferred or assigned in Iwahig Prison. Pay attention to this important reminder and visitor tips. Respect the place. It's still a correctional facility. Ask permission before filming inmates. Support by buying their local handmade products. Interesting, right? Look, the prisoners even performed a dance for the visitors. They really practiced it and they perform it like professional dancers. Their dance encourages the visitors to buy their souvenirs. We were entertained. At the end of their performance, we checked the souvenirs and bought several items. What do you think about Iwahig Prison? A correctional facility, but there were no walls, inmates walking freely, farming, smiling. Wait, this is a prison? Yes, indeed. It makes you think, is this punishment or a second chance? Do you believe in second chances? What do you think about this open system? Will you visit the penal farm? Please comment below and share your opinion. Here we go. We are now heading back to the city center of Palawan to face the food challenge in Kinabuch. Everyone told me, if you go to Palawan, you have to try this place. So while on the ride, let's talk about this famous restaurant, bar, and grill. The Kinabuch's Grill and Bar. Kinabuches is one of the most famous restaurants in Puerto Prinsesa, a must-visit spot for locals and tourists looking for authentic Filipino food and exotic dishes. Why it's popular? It is known for local Palawan specialties like tamilok or woodworm and even crocodile sisig, a place to chill due to open air bar vibe, perfect after island hopping. A mix of Filipino comfort food, adventurous dishes, often recommended as a top dinner spot in Puerto Prinsesa. Must-try foods here are TAMILOK, the famous woodworm delicacy served raw with vinegar, crispy pata, super popular and highly recommended. Grilled seafood, fresh catch like tuna or marlin, halo, refreshing dessert after a heavy meal. Many visitors say the foods are delicious and worth repeating, with some even coming back multiple times. Good? But first, let's understand. What is tamilok, or known by others as woodworm or shipworm? Tamilok is a famous exotic delicacy from Palawan, Philippines. Despite being called a worm, it's actually a type of shipworm, a mollusk that lives inside mangrove wood. What does it taste like? Surprisingly, fresh and ocean-like taste, often compared to oysters or clams. It is soft, slimy texture. This is what shocks most first-timers. How it's eaten. Tamilok is usually served raw, similar to ceviche, soaked in vinegar or calamansi juice. The acid cooks the tamilok meat, mixed with chili, onions, and salt, sometimes paired with alcohol as a pulutan or bar snack. Why people try it? It's considered a must-try exotic food in Palawan. Locals say it's safe and nutritious, a popular challenge food for tourists and vloggers. Things to know. It's eaten fresh, so cleanliness matters. The texture can be the biggest hurdle. If you have seafood allergies, avoid it. Now here we go, sitting in a restaurant famous for serving tamilok, trying to fulfill a food challenge that can be experienced in Palawan only. While waiting for our orders, I can see other foreigners in different nearby tables having the same food challenge like we do, trying to eat crocodile meat and tamilok. Some failed miserably and some conquered the challenge and won. This time, it's our turn. First bite of tamilok. Here we go. At first, I can't even look at it. Is it moving? It's slimy. What is this? Okay. Deep breath. 3, 2, 1. Slurp. Wait, why does it taste like oysters? My brain says no. But my taste buds say more. Texture, super soft, kinda jelly-like. Fear level, 100%. Taste level, surprisingly good. Would I eat it again? Or was that a one-time brave moment? Maybe I will try again whenever we come back to Palawan in the future. No one knows. You think Palawan is just beaches, but it's about to challenge everything you know. Everyone told me, you're not a real traveler if you don't try this, so I went all in and ordered tamilok. When it arrived, I froze, doubted myself, counting 1, 2, 3. Slurp. Wait. Why does it taste like oysters? I strongly believed we conquered the food challenge, and I think we won. We are victors of the Palawan Food Challenge. We were so happy. Palawan isn't just a destination, but it's an experience that will shock you, calm you, and change you. Would you try this journey? Just comment below and share your opinion. Follow my channel for more wild adventures. If you like this video, please click like, subscribe, and share below. Also, click the video next to me for more travel and food adventure episodes. I am sure you will love them too. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching.